What happened on the 16th of January is the big question here. So let's break this down for our viewers. Saif Kareena in the bedroom on the 11th floor. Saif Kareena heard Jay's nanny's screams. Saif and Kareena rushed to Jay's room and saw a stranger. Jay's nanny was attacked by the accused. Saif then held the attacker, overpowered him. Saif lost grip after multiple stabbings on the back and neck. Staff then took Jay out of the room and locked the attacker. Nani informed Saif about a crore ransom demand. This is what Saif has said in his statement. All right, getting you all the details as far as this matter is concerned. Remember, politics also continues to brew over the sequence of events with Netas questioning about what really happened. Some have gone to the extent of saying that was Saif acting is the question that some are asking. Sanjay Nirupam of the Shiv Sena has asked these questions, and so has the AIMIM, saying that there are way too many loose ends in this theory about the attack, and the way that Saif was allegedly attacked is not what it appears from his demeanor after getting released from the hospital is what is now being said. Police continue to investigate the matter. Sharif al-Islam from Bangladesh has been booked. However, the father says, look at the CCTV pictures. Does it match the face of my son, who's now been arrested by the cops? The answer to that question, the family of the accused here say, is no. We'll be going across to Vidya in a moment from now on the manner in which the politics on this is also brewing for a while now, with several netas questioning the theories that have been offered by the Mumbai police as far as this entire case reported from the 16th of January on attack on Saif Ali Khan is concerned. Who then brought him to the hospital? It is now being said that Taimur, along with the staff member, why was Kareena not there in the auto rickshaw? Why would the mother then, in this case Kareena, send an 8-year-old son, a young son, in an auto with an injured father? How about going to the hospital and taking her husband to the hospital herself is the biggest question. Vidya, you'd agree perhaps that this really is the biggest question, that why did Kareena not take him to the hospital when he needed to be rushed, and also why take an auto? Why not take one of the cars? You know, these are questions that still remain unanswered, Vidya.
No, in fact, yes, the question about Kareena not going with him is something that probably would, be stand in judgment. A lot of people might ask about it. But remember, that the kind of incident that happens and the kind of way that everyone reacts is very different. And if you look at it, what the doctors too said, that, the fact that Saif Ali Khan took an auto rickshaw immediately and rushed to the hospital was something that probably is the reason why we saw him, immediately after the operation, he was standing up, walking around, and the way we saw him leave, because the reason that if say, for example, he had waited at the residence, waiting for a driver to come along, for someone to pick him up, and then to the hospital, he would have bled so much that he could have gone under, he would have suffered low blood pressure. Then to revive him would have been much more difficult for the doctors. So it was the best thing that the doctor said was that he did was rush immediately. As soon as the bleeding had started, probably after getting injured, he immediately rushed to the hospital and did not really wait for anyone to accompany him either. With a small kid, he went to the hospital, and the doctors said very clearly, we had interviewed the doctors, and the doctors said very clearly that, it was the most brilliant thing, and that is what everyone should do in case when anyone is bleeding very hard. The concept of the golden hour is something that one needs to follow to the T. In case there is any bleeding, rush immediately to the hospital, or make sure that, the injuries are, the bleeding doesn't really happen too much and it is controlled. So that's one of the reasons why the doctors said that it was a very good thing that the Saif did was not wait at home for some more blood to flow out.